So we're told that Pete made this trip to the beach. So let's say this is the start, and 80 kilometers were on Highway X. Something like that. Maybe, so far we don't know whether it's in the beginning, end, or anywhere. So that's the highway part. Question is, what's his average speed for the entire trip? So I'll start with statement 1, which says the average speed on the highway was 80 kilometers per hour. Well, we have no information about the remaining trip, what distance, time, so 1 alone is insufficient. 2 says Pete's average speed for the part of the trip not on highway. So for the remaining, let's say if we divide this, so this is 96 kilometers per hour. Now this is not highway, and all we know with statement 2 alone is that this is 80 kilometers. So when we don't know this distance, nor do we know the speed here. So 2 alone is insufficient. If you combine 1 and 2, this part we know 96 kilometers per hour, not highway. Here it's 80 kilometer, average speed is 80 kilometer per hour. We can figure out that it took 1 hour, but there's no information to figure out how much time was spent here or the distance, because we'll need the total distance over total time. If I call this distance d, then the average speed will be d plus 80 over total time, which is 1 plus, let's say if this is t1. T1 would be d over 96. So we'll end up with that. Again, we don't have a unique value. So 1 and 2 combined are insufficient. Answer is E.